Hello friends! In this video, I am going to show you the top 3 Chrome extensions that every student must have on their computer. It does not matter whether you are in college or school, these Chrome extension is very useful for you. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Number 1, Grammarly. Go to your Google Chrome extension store and search for Grammarly. The extension will appear at the top of your search result. Click on it. I have already added this to my browser, so it is showing me the Remove from Chrome option. At the bottom, you can see some screenshots to know how this extension works. Let me show you how this will helpful. Here I am typing some random text and doing some grammatical mistakes. This will show your errors in red. Just hover over it and it will give you suggestion and just fix it. I am writing some more text to show some other use cases as well. Here I am writing the complete paragraph and doing some grammatical mistakes. As you can see, it is showing me the errors in red. This tool is very helpful if you are writing any assignments for your projects, writing any email, or writing for any documentation. Number 2, Dictionary. Search for the extension Dictionary and from suggestions click on Dictionary Synonym. The extension will appear at the top of your search result. Click on it. I have already added this to my browser, so it is showing me the Remove from Chrome option. At the bottom, you can see some screenshots. Let's see how this will work. Here I have some English words. If I want to know the meaning or definition, just double-click on it. It will give you the definition along with its synonym words. It will also give you pronunciation options. Just double-click and you will get the definition. One of the major benefits of using this extension is while giving any online exam in English. This will not close your window. And you can easily find definitions or synonyms for some of the difficult words in English. Let's try with some another words. Double-click on any word and check its definition. Click on 3 dots to expand it and see its synonyms. Number 3. Awesome Screenshot. Search for the extension Awesome Screenshot. The tool will appear on the 2. Click on it. This tool will basically help you to take screenshot and record video. Click on this extension. On the top you can see 2 options: capture and record. I am capturing my screen with this visible part. so it captured the screenshot and provide you an editor to edit the image. You can find various tools at the top. Click on Done to save. It will also allow you to capture your screen along with mic to record your audio. But you have to sign in to access this feature. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button to get more such videos.